Hey guys, today I'm gonna check out the Lucky Party on Animal Jam. So this is how it looks like. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. So golden horseshoes. I'm gonna buy some of these clover patches. Lucky clover, clover table, clover balloons, and a clover chair. This is how it looks like. Oh, it's so cute. I wish I could eat that. Lucky day, you can buy the music. So I'm guessing the Lucky Adventure is going to come out very soon. And I think that's really it. So I'm just going to see how it looks like in the den. And I already bought the Lucky table and a Lucky chair. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Okay, so now that looks like now. These are just like small. Okay. So that's nice. So if you guys like this video, be sure to subscribe and like this video and comment down below. And bye!